Hello and welcome to 5 on Friday. I've decided to choose skipping for your exercise. I could pick so many reasons why skipping is good for you, but here are 5 reasons. It's a full body workout. It improves your cardiovascular, it improves your coordination and motor skills, it increases your speed, and it's an enjoyable alternative to normal exercises like running, cycling and walking. If you can do each exercise for 1 minute and then do all 5 exercises twice, we'll give you a 10-minute workout for your skipping. Exercise 1 is 2 feet together. Exercise 2 is alternating your feet from right foot, left foot. Exercise 3 is left foot only. Exercise 4 is right foot only. And exercise 5 is 10 on your left foot, 10 on your right foot, alternating each time for the whole minute. Here is a recap of the 5 exercises. Exercise number 1, 2 feet together. Exercise number 2, alternate feet, right foot, left foot. Exercise number 3 is left foot only. Exercise number 4 is right foot only. And exercise number 5 is 10 on your left foot, 10 on your right foot. Remember to do your warm-up and cool down after your skipping. And I'll now hand over to Mr Lalor for his nutrition.
Hello and welcome to the next instalment of 5 on Friday. Today we've got some Athlete cinnamon spice French toast for a great breakfast option for you. Step 1, add the milk, egg, 1 teaspoon of honey, cinnamon, and I've got half a scoop of protein powder there, vanilla as an option. Step 2, heat a pan over a medium to high heat. We're going to dip the bread in the mixture, coating really well, and then place in the pan. Step 3, pan fry it for kind of 2 to 3 minutes each side, or just until it looks golden, okay? And I've poured the rest of the mixture on top, if you want to get it all in there. Step 4, remove from the pan, plate up, and top with Greek yogurt, honey, and a selection of berries.